The loss of portrait rights. The crisis of privacy in the Internet age. In past legal frameworks, portrait rights were protected, meaning that an individual's photograph and facial features were owned by the individual and could not be publicly used without their consent. This was a democratic agreement and a sign of respect for personal privacy. However, with the rapid development of the Internet, portrait rights seem to have become obsolete. Today, people disregard others' portrait rights, freely taking photos and videos of others and posting them online without any consideration for the feelings and rights of those involved. This is a worrying phenomenon, not just because it infringes on personal privacy but also because it undermines people's trust in legal protection. In this context, how should legal departments worldwide define people's human rights issues? This is not just a sad phenomenon, it is also a serious violation of personal privacy. Nowadays, the behavior of infringing on others' portrait rights has become so common that on social media, we often see videos and photos of others being publicly released without their consent. This behavior not only violates portrait rights but also causes psychological and emotional distress to the victims. In some cases, it can lead to severe consequences such as cyberbullying and reputational damage. The legality of these behaviors deserves our consideration. The boom in social media has made everyone a content creator, but should this creation come at the cost of infringing on others' portrait rights? Governments and legislative bodies in various countries should promptly introduce relevant laws and regulations to regulate the rampant violations on the Internet. These laws and regulations should clearly state that before taking and publishing others' images, consent from the parties involved must be obtained. Otherwise, severe legal penalties will follow. If no action is taken, human rights violations will become everyday behavior, and the arbitrary infringement of others' portrait rights will become more common. This is not only a lack of respect for personal privacy but also a challenge to social morals and the rule of law. Everyone has the right to protect their portrait rights, and any violation of these rights should be severely punished. Internet companies and social media platforms should also take responsibility by establishing strict community guidelines and policies to ensure users' rights are protected. In this digital age, the public's awareness of protecting personal privacy needs to be continuously raised. Education and outreach are key, as letting people understand the importance of portrait rights and how to protect their rights can help reduce these violations. At the same time, technology companies should also place greater emphasis on user privacy when designing products, providing better options and tools to allow users to better manage their information. Given this context, how can we truly protect personal privacy? Is it possible to find a balance in the Internet age that allows people to enjoy the convenience brought by technology without having their personal privacy violated? Governments worldwide, technology companies, legal professionals, and the public must work together to find effective solutions to create an Internet environment that respects the privacy and portrait rights of every citizen. We must continue to discuss and seek the best approach to establishing a fairer and safer Internet environment for the future. What concrete actions do you think we should take to protect everyone's portrait and privacy rights?